Simple 5-step morning routine for seniors. 60 plus, stay active strong. Imagine waking up one morning. Your body feels light. Your back doesn't ache, and your mind is clear. You stretch, stand tall, and your balance feels solid. You walk toward the window, sunlight warming your face, and you realize something powerful. You feel young again. It's not magic. It's not a secret pill. It's a simple 5-step morning routine, designed specifically for adults over 60, to keep you active, strong, and full of life every single day. Because aging is not about slowing down. It's about moving smarter. So, grab a cup of warm water, take a deep breath, and let's begin this journey to your best mornings ever. Step 1. Awaken the engine. Gentle joint mobility warm-up. Think of your body as a beautiful vintage car, powerful, classic, and built with purpose. But even the best engines need a warm-up before hitting the road. When you first wake up, your muscles are like cold oil, thick and slow. That stiffness you feel in your back or knees. It's your body asking for gentle motion. So here's the secret. Start small, but start moving. While still sitting on the edge of your bed, roll your shoulders back 5 times, then forward 5 times. Circle your wrists, flex your fingers. Turn your head slowly, side to side, just like turning the steering wheel of a fine old car, gently checking that every joint is awake. Then, place your hands on your thighs and take 3 deep breaths. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Feel your chest expand. Feel your lungs waking up. This step is your engine ignition. It sends oxygen to your joints, increases circulation, and signals to your brain. The day has begun, and I'm ready for it. Step 2. Turn on the headlights. Mind-eye activation. Your eyes are your headlights, guiding you safely through each day. But as we age, they often lose sharpness, focus, or coordination with movement. So before you even step out of the room, spend 2 minutes training your headlights. Start by looking far, maybe out the window. Then look close at your hands. Repeat 5 times. It's like switching between high and low beams. This improves focus and prevents dizziness when walking or bending later in the day. Next, close your eyes and gently massage your temples and the area under your eyes. It's not vanity, it's maintenance. You're keeping your vision engine tuned. Finally, say to yourself, I see today clearly. This small affirmation connects your mind and body, sharpening awareness, calmness, and mental clarity. Because when your eyes and brain communicate better, your balance, coordination, and confidence all improve. Step 3. Grip the steering wheel. Core balance activation. Every car needs control, and your body's steering wheel is your core. It keeps you steady, helps prevent falls, and gives you the strength to move with confidence. Now, this doesn't mean doing sit-ups or crunches. Instead, try this simple standing routine. Stand near a wall or chair for support. Place your feet hip-width apart. Tighten your abdominal muscles slightly, like you're bracing for a gentle poke in the stomach. Now lift one foot off the ground for 3 seconds, then switch. Do this 5 times per leg. What's happening here? You're training your deep stabilizing muscles, the same ones that help you get out of a chair, climb stairs, or even pick something from the floor safely. To make it more fun, imagine you're holding the steering wheel of your favorite car, smooth, firm, and in total control. You don't yank it, you guide it. That's how you should guide your body, with confidence, not force. Over time, this simple steering step can dramatically improve your posture, balance, and core strength. Step 4. Polish the interior. Mind-body mindfulness. Let's be honest. We often focus so much on our bodies that we forget about what's inside. Our interior. The most powerful part of your morning isn't movement, it's mindset. After your balance and stretches, take 2 minutes to sit or stand quietly. Place your hand over your heart, close your eyes, and take 5 slow, deep breaths. Inhale energy, exhale tension. Now think of 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small. Maybe the warm sunlight on your face, the sound of birds, or simply the fact that you woke up today. This daily gratitude resets your mood and lowers stress hormones like cortisol. Science proves it. People who practice mindfulness regularly have lower blood pressure, better sleep, and sharper memory. Your thoughts shape your body's chemistry. So polish your interior daily, not with luxury leather, but with peace, gratitude, and self-kindness. Because a calm mind is a strong engine. Step 5. Aerodynamic speed, gentle morning walk or stretch flow. Now that your engine is warm, your headlights are on, and your steering is stable, it's time